Hello, in this video, I will show you guys how to add multiple pictures to Instagram story. So first, access the Instagram app and swipe right to access the story section. Then swipe up to see the picture gallery. Next, please tap the select, and then now you can choose many pictures at the same time. You can even edit each picture. There is also another way for you to upload multiple pictures. So back to the story section. At the left screen, you can see layout. Please choose it. And then you choose the frame that you want to post. Next, choose the picture that you want to post. And that's it. Just upload it on your story. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful.